What is CA?
Is it only for commerce students?
How long does it take to become a CA? If you ever had these questions, you're not alone.
A lot of students hear about CA but don't know where to start.
That's why we are here to break it all down for you. Hey everyone,
I'm Sinduri
and I am Heenal.
and we are from OneFin by Indigo Learn.
In this video, we will cover what is CA,
Levels in CA
jobs,
and salary. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea about what is CA.
Before we start this video, do like and subscribe to our channel and not miss on any updates.
CA Foundation. It's like entry gate. You need at least 4 to 5 months of serious prep.
And all you need is consistency.
The exam takes place thrice a year.
Jan, May and September. But what will I study?
See, you'll have 4 papers: quantitative aptitude, economics, accounting, and business law.
I hear a lot of business here.
Yeah, you'll actually learn how money talks and how law runs the game.
Okay. CA Inter, the mid-level. Here's where the chill ends and the real grind begins. You'll have 6 subjects divided into 2 groups each.
Group 1 consists of 3 subjects: advanced accounting, corporate and other laws, and taxation. And Group 2 consists of 3 subjects: cost and management accounting, auditing and ethics, and financial management and strategic management.
It's like you're not just studying, you're training yourself on how companies run and how businesses make their moves.
The exam takes place thrice a year: January, May, and September.
After CA Inter comes the articleship. But before that, we have something called orientation course and ITT.
OC, orientation course. Think of it as a boot camp, but make it corporate. You will learn how to level up your soft skills like communication, professionalism, teamwork.
Basically, how not to be awkward in a meeting. Next comes ITT, Information Technology Training. This one's hands-on. You'll learn how to use Excel like a pro and you'll get comfy with Tally. You'll also play around with accounting softwares which we will actually use during articleship.
And it lasts around 15 days. Stage 3, articleship. So after CA Inter, you'll have to do a mandatory internship, also known as articleship. A major red flag during articleship is to think that it's just work and I'll do CA later.
But. Think of articleship like a sidekick for your big goal. Hustling at work and studying for CA is the best thing to do.
It might sound tough, but hey, no pain, no gain. If you wait too long, you will stress like crazy during exams.
Then comes ICITSS and SPOM. These are mandatory courses before you go to CA final. ICITSS is about leveling up your skills. Think Excel, PowerPoint or basic computer stuff, and also soft skills like communication and presentation.
You also need to complete self-paced online modules, SPOM, before appearing in final exams.
Then comes the CA final.
The final battle.
Group 1 consists of 3 subjects: financial reporting, advanced financial management and auditing.
And Group 2 consists of 3 papers: direct tax, indirect tax, and IBS, also known as Integrated Business Solutions. The exam takes place thrice a year: January, May, and September.
After you clear CA final, you're the ultimate money mastermind every business needs. What's she dreaming about? Now comes the interesting part. Not salaries. Jobs. Where will CA land you? Once you become a CA, wide range of job opportunities open for you.
You can practice as auditor, the money cop. You'll actually be checking if the companies are keeping it real with their cash flows and accounts. No cap.
Or you can be a tax consultant. Here, you'll help people and companies pay their taxes without sweating. Basically, you'll legit be a tax ninja slicing through laws, making sure no extra money leaves the wallet.
You can get into financial management. You'll be the money mastermind, keeping the company's cash flow smooth. You'll plan the money moves, budget like a pro, and make sure every dollar is hustling to grow the biz. You can also get into forensic accounting. You'll be the money detective, hunting down the frauds and scams. Without you, shady deals go unchecked, and companies get played. So you keep the game clean.
Now comes my favorite, CFO. It might take 15 odd years, but you'll be the ultimate money boss. You'll be calling all the shots on budgeting, investments, and growth. So basically, the business's success depends on your moves. Better make it smooth.
Other than all of this, you can even be a startup guru, building your own empire.
CA profession is like a VIP pass to money, respect, and power. Now that you heard about CA, I know you're waiting for the best part, the salaries. So let's break down the salaries of CA from the freshest to bosses.
Let's just say this. First job is equals to good salary. Few years of experience is equals to better salary. And after 10 years of experience, people will ask you for advice.
CAs as freshers can bag anywhere from 7 to 10 lakhs a year. Too good for someone who just cleared CA finals, right?
But give it 2 to 4 years and then you can shoot up to 15 to 20 LPA. This is when you're building your rep, managing teams and handling big clients.
By 5 to 7 years, you can demand around 25 to 40 LPA. By now, you've got the experience, skills, network, you're entering boss mode now.
With above 12 plus years of experience, you can earn up to 1 crore or more. If you're a CFO, a partner, or running your own firm, wealth creation is literally in your hand.
So if you're someone who's ready to hustle,
Grow,
then this path might be just for you. If you think you've got what it takes, then go to indigolearn.com and reach out to us.
If you want to know more about the CA, then let us know in the comments.
And that calls to the end of our video.
If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment below.
Good luck for your CA journey. See you in the next video.